Hello everybody, welcome to Python sample program video series. So in this video, I'm going to explain to people how to find area of a circle, square, rectangle and triangle by using Python. So before going to calculate the area of like square, rectangle or triangle, you should know the formulas of it. If you know the formulas, easily you can do it. So I'll just show you people the formulas. We will see the first formulas of this you know uh, the area of a circle, area of a rectangle, and area of a triangle. Okay, so here first we will see the area of a circle formula. Area of a circle formula is pi r square. Okay, so if you know that area of a circle formula, easily we can calculate the area of a circle. And the next one is the area of a say rectangle. So the formula to find out the area of a rectangle is, okay, breadth into length. So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay. So if we know the formulas, easily we can calculate the areas of anything. Okay. So here the pi value is constant. Either you can use one variable, say pi or anything. You can assign the constant value it, or we have the math module, right? So math module, in the math module, we have a lot of mathematical function. There is a function called PI, which is belongs to this math module. We have to import this math module, then we can make use of this PI function. Okay. To calculate the area of rectangle, we need breadth and we need the length of the rectangle. Then we need base and we need the height of a triangle to calculate the area of a triangle. Okay, so I'll open the Python editor. So first we will see, first I'll import the math module, import math. Then I'll write one printf statement. I'll write one print statement so that I allow the user to enter one for circle, one for to find the area of a circle. Okay, I can say simply I'll write one for circle. I'll put it, I'll get this in the next line. Okay, then I'll write enter for rectangle, to for rectangle. I'll shift this to next line. Then I'll write enter 3 for enter 3 for triangle. Okay, I'll read the values from the user 1, 2, 3. Then based on the values user enter, based on that I'll calculate the you know the area of a circle or rectangle or a triangle. Okay, so whatever user enters, I'll store it in the variable called n. That is the input function. To read the value, I'll store it in the a variable called enter. Okay, a variable called n. Okay, and the next, now I'll check what the user has entered. If n is equal to 1, if user has entered 1, then what I should do, I have to calculate the area of a circle. Correct. To calculate the area of a circle, we know the formula, that is pi r square. So pi is constant and I have to read r from the user, that is the radius value I have to get from the user. So radius, for the radius I'll read the floating point value. So here I'll write one message to the user, enter radius, enter enter radius. Okay. So I write the value, enter radius. Then I'll calculate area of circle. I'll use one variable called AC, area of a circle. So I have to use pi value, which is there in math module. So I have to use module name p math and the function name pi. So math dot pi into r, right? R square, pi r square. So r into r. So I have calculated the area of a circle. I'll print it. I'll print this. Print area of a circle is equal to area of a circle is equal to uh, comma AC. Okay, that's all. So this is to find this code and is to find the area of a circle. Now what I'll do is I'll check next for the 2. If the user enter 2, I should calculate the rectangle, right? Okay, then I can use elif n is equal to 2. If n is equal to 2, so I'll ask the user to enter the values of breadth and length. Okay, so I'll use this printf statement. Enter the breadth into breadth. Uh, It'll be float. I'll use a variable called b. Now enter the length. I'll use variable say L. Okay. Then what is the formula? Length into breadth is the formula. AR, area of a rectangle, is equal to length into breadth. So I have calculated this. Then I'll print it. Okay. I'll print this area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to AR. Okay. I'll store with area dot py. Okay. And the next one is else. If the user enter 3, then or you can use elif also. No issues. It's not necessary that you have to use else. Okay. Else okay, I'll use elif because I have to check. Else I'll use the invalid condition, something if the user enter apart from these 3 values. If n is equal to 3, then I have to read the 2 values, that is base into height. So I'll use this variable name as a base, that is enter base. And this is enter height. Okay, so what is the formula? Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, so this is the formula. I'll print this value. The area of triangle is equal to, this is the variable 80. Else I'll just write else print invalid input. If it is not matched with any of the condition, you can just type that invalid input. Okay, so that's all. Now we will see our program. Run it. Yeah, no error. See it asking user to enter 1 2 3. I'll enter 1. So if I enter 1, it should ask me enter the radius. I'll enter 5.0. Okay, then area of a circle is equal to, I'm getting a 78.53. Right? So like that, if you want, you can enter 2 3 and it will calculate the values based on that. Thank you, student. I hope you understood the program. Thank you so much.